Alam mo yung magkakape ka tapos ganito kasarap yung mga ipapares mong pastries? Napaka-solid ng mga to guys. Tapos eto pa yung ikinasikat nilang mga cream puffs. Pati yung mga super aesthetic nilang mga cakes na may fresh fruits on top. Talagang signature products din nila ang mga yan. And ngayon, first time din nating itatry yung mga coffee nila. Open sila magmula 7 a.m. up until 12 midnight. This place is called Parks Bakery, located sa Korean town dito sa Angeles City. Meron silang parking lot, naka-wifi, malamig yung aircon, and very aesthetic yung place. Meron silang pastries, cakes, salads, sandwiches, at sa sobrang dami ng mga options dito, ikaw na lang talaga yung malulula. Masarap yung mga hot coffee nila. I think this is medium roast tapos hindi masyadong matamis. Okay din yung hot ginger tea nila. Heto naman yung vegetable salad that has chicken, sweet potatoes, dried cranberries, and chickpeas. It's super fresh and bright and talagang complete meal in one plate lang. Tapos tingnan nyo tong pastry sandwich na to. Ang ganda, diba? It has a very colorful and generous mix of vegetables, egg, ham, and a very tasty dressing. And check out this picture-perfect fruit cupcake. Parang corn muffin yung texture ng bread and then super cute. Pwede mo na rin iregalo sa mga may birthday. Dito naman tayo sa mga pastries na pangmalakasan. This is their banana Nutella croissant at eto naman cinnamon roll. It's super flaky and crisp with just the right amount of sweetness tapos ang sarap i-dip sa kape. Etong susunod naman yung Danish, meron siyang custard in the middle with blueberry preserves and a cherry on top. Sayang wala si Papa. Ang hilig pa naman niya sa mga ganito. Yung kasunod naman tulad ng sabi ko kanina, isa to sa mga kinasikat nilang products, yung cream puff na napakaraming filling. Very delicate lang yung flavor and sweetness so hindi ka mauumay. Baka nga makarami ka nang hindi mo napapansin. And last but not least, meron tayong bingsu. Ang dami niyang fruits on top, meron pang ice cream and the cornflakes give it that wonderful crunch. This is another gem I found here in Angeles City and I'm really excited for you guys to try them out.